In this video, we are going to see how we can add multiple lines to a single chart in a single axis. So here we can see we have a single sheet and the dimensions are common, and we have the region representation with each line of a different color. So how we can make that? Let's see. First of all, let's clear all of this data and I'll show you from scratch. We will use the same data as we've used in the previous example. Let's make it multi-line chart and just start putting the parameters. In the rows, let's put sales, and in the columns we will put dates. But since the dates are only of 1 year or 2, let's switch it to month so that we can see at least some results. And since it is not fully occupied to the end of the screen, we want to extend it. Let's switch it to an entire view and we have this one line chart. Let's say now we want to customize this and we want to see the different regions performance and we want to compare those regions on a single graph. Let's hold this region and we will paste it here in the marks on the color. What this will do is it will create many lines, each representing a particular region, but this is especially effective if we want to filter it afterwards. So let's apply the filter of region as well. Just drag and drop this in the filters. And let's say that we want to compare only defense, we want to compare Gulberg, and we want to compare Model Town. So these are the three regions that we want to compare. Click on apply, click OK, and now it looks much more meaningful and readable. So although it can plot all of the lines on a single page or on a single axis, just make sure you filter that after that, especially if we have a lot of regions to compare or parameters to compare. But this is how you can put multiple lines on a single axis in line chart. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.